Okay, everybody, we're working on a 2014 keys Honda CR-V. All keys are lost. We're programming 2 keys into the system. Our machine is hooked up to the OBD. We're going to go by the vehicle make. Honda by vehicle CR-V 2014. Oh, it's not keyless. Key. Continue. All keys are lost. 2 keys to be programmed. Turn the ignition off. Now we just got to follow the sequence. Turn it on. We're also looking at the green light on the dashboard. And that's the security light. Once it stops flashing, we know the key is programmed.
And the other key now?
Immobilizer is out. As you can see, the green light is gone. So we tell it yes. And now we're closing out the programming. And the machine will tell us success.
The car starts. Thanks for watching.